Thought-provoking.
Excellent.
It's wonderful.
It's fantabulous.
Sustainability.
Experience.
Innovative.
Brainstorming.
It was mind-blowing.
Hey guys, we are back, and this time in the capital city of the country, New Delhi. The 3D Experience Forum 2019 is here. This place looks amazing. Our stage has been set, our speakers are all ready. The registration desk is queuing up. I'm here at the 3D Experience Playground, where they're going to showcase some great next-gen technologies. So let's go and check out what are the kind of experiences do we get to see here today. Hi Anjan, I see you at the Planet Care Experience. What's this all about? Please tell me.
We provide businesses and people a virtual universe platform so that they can imagine and create harmonizing products which will harmonize the life entirely.
Can you show me something on the screen here?
Exactly. We have prepared a couple of themes for our audience to try how to solve these existing problems. For example, here we have like rain capture, water transportation, how can we make our cultivable land more again, and collecting the waste, eco basket. So many themes we have prepared and for our audience to try.
Wow, so something that I can try today?
Definitely, yes. What you have here are the controllers, and you are wearing the headset, which will take you to the virtual universe, and you can actually navigate from one position to another using those arrows and all.
You see, we're actually using natural energy to power all the electrical equipments that you have in the house. I can actually control all my electrical equipments that I have with my remote control on a different phone. This is completely online. I can actually go and turn on my charging for my electrical vehicle. You can see your battery consumption go low. Using controls, I can reduce or increase the number of solar panels that I want. There's no wind, right?
Right.
Okay.
Yes.
What I can do is this. I activate my phone.
Okay.
And I want you to blow into it.
Oh,
You're producing wind with your mouth.
I didn't know I had these powers. Amazing.